Hey Ate Meli, happy birthday. Happy birthday po Ate Meli. Wishing you a beautiful and joyful day. I am so grateful to God that your life, especially now that you are a cancer free, truly you are living testimony of His love and miracles. You are such an inspiration to all of us. Your strength and faith are amazing, and we are so proud of you, Ate Meli. Ate, thank you so much for your love and support and everything you've done for me. I will always be here for you. Enjoy life and stay happy and take good care always. You deserve all the blessing coming your way. I will always be your brother, and syempre, mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday, Ate Meli. I love you so much. Don't forget to smile always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Meli!
Birthday, Auntie Meli.
Happy birthday, Auntie Meli.
More blessing, more birthday to come. At sana hindi na magkakasakit.
Yes.
Stay healthy and we wish you all the best and may all your wishes come true.
More happiness in life and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy
Enjoy
birthday,
your
Auntie
celebration!
Meli. Regards to all.
Happy birthday, Auntie Meli!
Mars, happy birthday! Naku, buti pa ikaw, cancer free ka na, Mars. Nakabibigyan ka pa mahabang buhay, makarating ulit dito, pasyal-pasyal ulit tayo. Happy birthday, Mars!
Happy birthday, Auntie! More blessings to come, good health, continue ka lang kumain ng masasarap na pagkain, and magdasal ka lagi. We love you! Bye-bye!
Mars, bye-bye. God
Bye-bye.
bless you. More birthdays to come.
My birthdays to come,
Always.
Auntie!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God bless. Deng, happy birthday!
We love you mula noon hanggang ngayon. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo kasi thanks God at free cancer ka na pala sa ngayon. Happy birthday.
Happy
ulit.
birthday!
Hi Auntie Meli, happy birthday. We thank God na cancer free ka na. And I always prayed for your health. And I wish for you to have more birthdays. And I hope you celebrate this day like it's your 18th birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, and I miss you and I love you. Take care always. Bye. Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hello Auntie, it's me, ang Jericho ng Finland. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your day. I hope sana maging blessed ka pa araw-araw, and congratulations kasi napasa mo ang test. Yun lang, sana may time na makapunta ako dyan, magkasama-sama tayo ulit. Medyo matagal na rin tayong hindi nagkasama. It's been 20 years maybe. So, ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Hello! Para sa aking tita, happy birthday sa araw na ito. So, tita, maraming salamat. At hindi ko nakakalimutan ang mga tulong mo sa akin. Happy birthday sa iyo, at ikaw ang aking naging pangalawang magulang. Ikaw ang nagbibigay lagi ng payo sa akin, at salamat din sa Panginoong Diyos at ikaw ay nabigyan ng free cancer na ngayon. So, ngayon tita, happy birthday sa iyo. Long life pa tita. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo. I love you tita. So, happy birthday ulit. Sana po ay maging masaya kayo sa inyong karawan. Maraming salamat po. sa mga payo nyo sa akin, sa mga naitulong nyo sa akin. Maraming salamat po, tita. Happy birthday. Thanks din po sa Panginoong Diyos dahil dininig niya yung mga panalangin na nagmamahal sa inyo. Happy birthday ulit, tita. I love you. Bye-bye, tita. Happy birthday.
Auntie, happy birthday. Kausap lang kita kahapon sa phone. And, same lang din yung wish ko sa'yo. I hope and pray for another 75 years. God has been really good. Making sure na you're free of cancer. You're very strong. You really have strong faith. And we do hope na you continue to be very healthy. And para pag sa next uwi mo, maka-jamming pa tayong dalawa. We miss you. We hope and pray for you and your, the family's safety. And again, very good health. Di ka mukhang 70 plus, mukha kang 50. So please continue to inspire others. And we miss you a lot, and really hope to see you soon in the Philippines. Happy birthday.
Mama Melly, happy birthday!
Stay healthy and happy. God bless always.
Love by
Basic
Sick Family.
Happy birthday, Auntie Melly! So this year, we are not just celebrating you another year older, pero sincelebrate din natin yung milestone mo sa buhay mo because you're now a cancer-free. Congratulations, Auntie, and happy birthday. Ang wish ko ay sana magtuloy-tuloy lahat ng lakas ng pangangatawan, energy in life, happiness in life, and sana magkita ulit tayo soon, makapag-reunion ulit with the whole family. And wish ko sana ay tuloy-tuloy na paggaling at tuloy-tuloy na pagiging maganda. And I miss you so much. I miss all of you guys there, and can't wait to see you guys soon again. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal sa aming magkakapatid and sa lahat ng naging tulong niyo sa amin before at sa pagmamahal. And I miss you and Tito Roland as well, Papa Roland. And God bless po. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you and happy birthday.
Tita, mabilisan daw. ASAP daw eh. Happy birthday. 75th birthday. Happy birthday, tita. And mas special ang celebration dahil cancer-free ka na. Congratulations. Habang tumatanda, lalong lumalakas, di ba? Enjoy lang po ang buhay. Abot pa yan hanggang 100 or more. Kaya. Sige, tita, ingat. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hi, Auntie Melly, happy birthday, blessings pa more, and long life, and healthy living. God bless you always. I love you.
Hello po, Lola Melly. Kamusta na po kayo dyan? Happy birthday po. Unang-una po, Lola Melly, nagpapasalamat po ako sa binigay po na buhay sa inyo ni Lord and also sa paggabay niya po sa inyo. Wini-wish ko po na sana long healthy life at lagi lang po kayong kumain ng mga healthy foods, okay? Miss na po namin kayo at sana po magkita-kita na po tayo. Happy birthday po!
Auntie Melly, happy birthday! Happy birthday sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. Sana'y maging malusog ka pa at malagpasan mo lahat ang pagsubok ng ating Panginoon at humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo para maging masaya tayo. Yun lang po. Salamat!
Happy birthday po, Lola Melly! Kamusta na po kayo? Sana po masaya kayo ngayong kaarawan ninyo. And we wish you po a day filled with love, joy, and laughter po. Ang wish ko po sa inyo ay good health and more days filled with peace, joy, love, laughter, and happiness. Know po that your kindness and goodness continue to inspire everyone around you po. And we truly hope po that you continue being that kind and loving person po. Miss na po namin kayo and we really hope to see you soon po. We love you po.
Hello, Tita Melly! Greetings from Canada! Gusto ko sanang batiin ka na nandito yung mga bata. Kaso, Sunday pa kami makukumpleto pero ito last minute na recording para sa birthday mo. I just want to greet you happy 75th birthday and also congratulations sa iyo at na-survive mo yung cancer. Napakalakas mo talaga kay Lord and I'm sure deserve mo talaga yan dahil I'm sure meron ka pang mission sa buhay at then also matulungin mong tao. Di ba? Natutuwa ako at medyo punong abala ngayon si Cathy at ang mga anak mo sa paghahanda ng birthday mo. Sana sa birthday ko ganyan din pag umabot ako sa ganyang edad. Ay nako, sana 'di ba? 75 birthday, nako, blessing na talaga yan dahil unlike si Mama, hanggang 60 lang yung inabot niya. But then, happy na rin ako at nasa heaven na siya. There's no time para maging malungkot. But then, I'm happy for you, Tita Melly. At isa ka sa mga paborito kong auntie. Pero, lahat naman kayo paborito ko, diba? And then, na-miss ko yung mga reunion natin. Kasi lumaki ako, habang lumalaki ako, every year may reunion ang mga Rafol. Na-miss ko yon. Sana nga magkita-kita tayo uli. And then, enjoy mo yung birthday mo today dahil alam ko si Cathy at si Brian, si Beth, at ang mga kapatid mo dyan. Tita Helen, Tita Melly, naghanda ng special na birthday para sa'yo. Miss na miss ko na kita. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Ay, naku, ayoko umiyak. Love you, Tita Melly. Enjoy your birthday. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Auntie. Wishing you long life, more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and stay beautiful. I love you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Today, we celebrate your beautiful life, your strength and your courage. You've been so much these past few years and I'm so happy that you come out stronger. Let's claim that you will have a lot of more birthdays to come, filled with good health and happiness. Happy 75th birthday, Tita. I love you and hope you enjoyed.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. I miss you. It's been a while since I saw you. So I'm very happy to hear that God has healed you. You deserve a long life. You're very loving aunt. And even though you're 75, you don't look like one. Actually, you inspire us and me that we can all age gracefully. And one thing that I remember when I think about you is how you approach life positively. You always have this positive aura, and that's something that I really want to emulate, something that I am keeping in mind. And yeah, I hope that you will enjoy your day today, and I hope that God will bless you with all the desires.
Happy birthday, Ninang Melly! May God continuously bless you more with a good health, of course, and with a beauty that shines. Thank you, Ninang, for everything. We love you!
Wishing you, Ninang, good health, protection, and God bless po. Sana more birthday to comes.
Yes, Ninang, we love you!
always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always thought that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair, sometimes it gave a hand.
Hi Mel, kamusta na? Happy birthday nga pala. More birthday to come. Ay, salamat sa Panginoon at na survivor ka na. Cancer survivor ka na. Alam mo, pinagdasal ko nga sa Panginoon, araw-araw dadasal ako na makaraos ka. Makaraos ka sa, sa cancer mo. Pero ito ang bait talaga ni Lord sa atin, di ba? Dininig ang panalangin ko at panalangin ng marami nagdadasal pa sa'yo, di ba? Kaya friend, napakalakas mo talaga sa taas. Lahat ng naano mo sa buhay mo, ito, na-achieve mo na, di ba? At wala akong masabi na sa kabaitan mo, na sobrang bait mong tao talaga. Kaya, wala na akong masabi kundi happy birthday. More birthday to ka, mag-enjoy ka lang, kasama pamilya mo at ng mga kaibigan mo. At kami rin dito sa Pilipinas, happy birthday. Love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi Diding, happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings. God bless.
Good morning, Tita Nelly. Happy birthday. We thank God for your life and for all the blessings that He poured out on you, and for you being a channel of blessing to all of us. You are a very good tita, mommy, friend, rolled into one. Happy birthday, tita. God bless.
Hello, good morning! Peru Islands, good morning. Good morning, my best friend. Good morning sa lahat ng mga nariyan, mga kapatid mo, siyempre mga anak mo, mga apo mo maganda. Best friend, mahirap palang mag-video dahil birthday mo, siyempre, sabi ko hindi pwedeng hindi. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays pa at sana magkasama pa tayong muli. And I'm very happy and thank you Lord because you are cancer-free. So wala na tayong alahanin pero mag-ingat ka pa rin para at monitor ng doktor. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa ulit tayo magkikita. Wala pa akong plano. Sana nag-video ko ngayon kasi gusto ko sa birthday ko mag-video ka rin. At, oo, di ba? June 6. At kung sila gusto, sorpresahin ka. Ako, gusto kong makasigurado. Kailangan, nag-video kayong dalawa ng family mo. At, say mo, hindi mo na ako kakanta kasi may kasama ako. Eto, ayan. May kasama na ako.
Hello, good morning. Good
diba?
morning.
Napunta ako dito.
Nice to meet you again. Kahit na dito lang tayo nagkikita sa video, it's okay.
O, di ngayon, may kasama na akong kakanta, ha?
Happy
Kanta
birthday.
tayo. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Sintonado. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Melly. Ayan. Hindi na namin hahabaan kasi baka mamaya kung saan mapunta yung kanta namin. Dito naman para malaki yan. O baka maputol. Sana maging,
enjoy your day.
I'm very sure na magiging happy yan. Baka po pwede i-live mo naman at na makapanood ako. I love you. Best friend, hindi ko makakalimutan ang ginawa mong pagpunta at nakita tayo sa UK. Sa UK.
Talaga.
Napakalaking bagay. dyan. Best friend, happy birthday. And I'm very, very happy kasi you're cancer-free! Sana maligaya kayo sa pag-celebrate mo sa May 1. I'm not very prepared. Kaya lang, baka mamaya makalimutan ko. Kaya I'm ready na muna ako ito. Sana masurpresa pa kita. Ako lang nandito sa condo ng kapatid ni Mitch. Ito sa Cambridge. Kaya sinamantala ko na makabati sa iyo. Kung sakasakali, pagdating dito sa bahay, maulit-ulit, pagtitin ko, maganda to. Happy birthday! At saka binabati ko rin yung mga anak mo dyan, mga kapatid mo. Happy! Thank you! Sana best friend. Magkita pa tayo muli. Kahit sa ganito natin edad. Sana natili pa rin tayong malakas para mabigyan pa tayo ng Panginoon Diyos na magandang kalusugan, mababa pa ating buhay, hanggang makakaya pa natin, makita ang ganda ng mundo, ating mga apo at mga anak. Happy birthday! Mag-ingat ka dyan ha! Be happy!
Thank you.